before I do that, hey, bro, guess what came in? Guess what came in, bro? Yo, so y'all remember when I told you I ordered the most comfortable slides on the planet? These are 3D printed slides. They're technically not even slides. They're called like recovery slides or something like that. They're really meant for recovery, some shit like that. Now, as a slide connoisseur, wear these shit everywhere to professional functions, informal functions. I wear it around the fucking house. I wear it at overtime, bare-toed with socks on. I've tried just about every pair of slides, so I know a thing or two about what slides is fire and shit like that. And so when a shoe content creator on YouTube said this was the most comfortable thing he's ever put on his feet, I had to get it, okay? They're ugly?
Michelin grip when I f her.
Oh my God. Okay, I fucking get it, buddy. Due to material structure of the sandal, objects such as tree branches, gravel may come into contact with your foot. What the fuck? Hey! Be careful to avoid walking on uneven surfaces in terrains and stepping on any debris. Nigga, I can't step on any debris. Not even a little bit of debris. So I got 5 of these plastic knives. So we got some debris. Weak. I'm not trying to, it's not a display of strength. I need nails. All right, guys, I'm gonna do it. I'm good so far. Still good. I'm straight, bro. That's a disclaimer. That is a fucking disclaimer. It's on carpet? What the fuck difference does that make? Nigga say, oh my God, so wild. Pass the grip test.